Hello, friends. Today we will see how to get first or second or third and so on and repeated word in a sequence in Python. Okay, and also we will see how to sort the elements in list either in ascending or descending. Okay, so this is these two are my recent interview experience, guys. Just 2 days back I attended one of the interviews. So in that Python coding, I interviewer is asked me, so hence I thought to share with you people. So I am sharing with you guys. Let's get started. So right now I'm in pycharm IDE. So let me create a file. Okay, now we'll see the agenda is Python code to print second most repeated word in a sequence. Okay, so you can say first or second or third and so on nth word. Okay, so let's see how to handle this. So we will try to create one UDF. Under one UDF we will try to figure it out all the possible combinations. Okay, okay, let's get started. For this, in order to handle this, first I will try to import counter method from the collections label. From collections import counter. So we will see what is the purpose and why I am importing this counter function. I will let you know. So let's see. First of all, we will try to find out the second highest frequent word. Okay, second most frequent word in a list. Let's say second frequent. I can say input parameter which I will pass it. Okay. Now let's say now what I will do, date equal to counter input. So let me explain you what I am trying to do here. Here I am converting given list into dictionary. So whatever may be the list that I am going to fire it, right, the input which we take it, which we used to take, so that will this function will convert based on this counter function. It will be converted into the dictionary. Okay, so that is the purpose of counter. So what benefit which we are going to get out of this? So this will calculate in a given values. So each repeated votes will be calculated and it will be written in a form of key value pairs. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, now let's type driver program. Okay, if score name to name. Now let me take input. Okay, so I have taken I passed input right here parameter. So we need to pass input right, as you mentioned like list. So I'm taking right. So here we are passing input. So let's say triple A, comma, let's say triple B, comma, let's say triple C, comma, let's say triple A, comma, let's say triple A. Okay, now let me declare second frequent of input. Okay, so now let me run and see what is the purpose of counter and what that method with does irrespective of input parameter which we are taking. So let's run and see. Okay, declaration I made taken. Now let's run. See what it is returning. A it which is repeated three times, and B is one time, and C is one time. So the list which we passed right, it is giving in the form of key value pairs. Okay, so let's see how are we going to gets benefited in the down the line. Okay, now I will take out for time being this particular step. Now let's see value equal to sorted dict dot values, comma, was equal to true. So let me return value now. So what this particular step it does, so it will do the ascending order. Okay, so we see 3 1 and 1 right. For example, if imagine B is repeated twice. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, now it's 3 and 2 and 1. It's repeated. Okay, for time being to understand, let's comment this and print the dict. Now we'll see 3 times B is 2 times, C is 1 time, right? So this particular counter based on the input, it will take the count and it will form in the form of dictionary. Okay, now the second step, what it does, it will take only the values in an ascending order. Now let me take the value. Now let's run it. See, 3 2 1. Okay, values. Now what I am trying to say, second largest equal to value of, let I will take 1. Okay, if I take 0, it will the first third element, I will third most frequent, and if I take 1, it will be 2. As you know, right, index starts with 0. So if here in this value, if I take 1, it will be the second highest, and it will, so let's say for example, if I take the second largest return, it will return second. Okay, now let me iterate the loop. Okay, now I don't want to this step. Let me go for loop. Let me iterate the key values, key comma value in, so dict dot items. So we are taking this dictionary input. Okay, now if value, now we take, now if value equal to second largest, okay, oh sorry, this has to be closed. Okay, if value equal to second largest, then we are planning to print the key. Okay, now we'll return. Okay, so what this step does, it will iterate the loop. It will fetch both the key and value from this dictionary. It will take both key and value. If value is the second largest, then I am telling print the key. Okay, then return. Okay, let's see, let's run this and we'll see what outcome we will get it. See, b, it's repeated twice, right? For example, if I want to print value as well, see, b is repeated twice. Okay, and for example, if I want to run the first most frequent word, then how can we do this? Let me have a take a look on this. Here, change the index position, then alter the second into first largest to first largest, first to frequent, and you change the function name as first frequent. Okay, now let's try to run it. See, a is the highest repeated, means 3 times repeated. This is the first, and we see have seen second. In the same way, you can give here 3, 4, 5, 6 in any number. So this is how it works, guys. So under one particular function, we can able to see nth most repeated frequent word in a sequence in Python. Okay, now we'll see another example. So right now this is how we can get it. Now as discussed, let's see sorting. Okay, now let's say I have a list, I would like to do ascending and descending. So how can I do this? So let me take some sample. This is also I faced, guys, recently the second interview question. 2 0 1 0. Okay, so now I would like to, what interviewer is expecting, it should be 0 0 0 comma 1 1 comma 2. This is what he want output which he is expecting 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so this is how the interviewer is expecting. So let's see how can we handle this. Num dot score num equal to num dot equal to sorted num comma reverse equal to false. Now let's print sort underscore now. Now let's see this is the expected outcome which we are looking. Okay, if I make it true, then it will come to 1 1 0 0 0. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Today we have seen two different scenarios. So hope you guys like this tutorial. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, guys. That's all for today. Bye.